Hi, my name is Chayasit Thai Pawon. I'm from Thailand, and today I would like to share you how to use where and which command. Okay, and I will show you now how to use it. Okay, I will type where and Java, where and Node, where and npm, where code, and you will see that when I type where command in Windows 10, it will show you the directory that you install, the application that you type. For example, if you want to know where is the directory of your Java that you did install, okay, previously, you can type where and followed by Java application, and this is the folder that you install in your window, okay, and if you would like to open this folder, you can right click, okay, or highlight and enter, okay, and now you go to your file explorer and press here and like this, okay, and enter. This will open the directory, okay, that you install the Java application, okay, and that's it. Where command is a command that you can use in your Windows 10 to find the installation part. Okay, now we will see what command that we will use in Mac OS to find the installation part. Okay, let me move to Mac OS. In Mac OS, okay, I will open my terminal and I will use which command. Which command is equal or equivalent to the where command in Windows. Okay, for example, okay, you will see that I use which command to show the directory that I install the Java, or where is the Java is located in my Mac OS. Which node, which go, which code, and you will see the directory that you disinstall this application. And I hope this video will be useful for you. Okay, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.